So I'm replacing the belt on this 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan right there. Already got it on. And the tensioner back here, right there, you got to push it down with a lot of force. Normally, you go through the shroud right here, lift the car up, and then you use a breaker bar and pull it down and then put the belt in place. But I don't have that option, so I had to figure something else out. And here's what I did. I took a hammer, something soft, and then it's pretty tight in there, so you can kind of fit it right there. And then I took this axe with wood handle, also soft, and then if you go right in here, right back in there, and if you don't care about your car, it's not a big deal, but if you care, try to figure out a good spot to put it. I put it right there. And then you just push down. I already got the belt on, so I don't want it to slip off, but this works, and I was able to get the belt on. So there you go. Good luck.